Welcome to another video on automation with Tableau Server clients. Today's video provides a break from tutorials and is meant to inspire you to build amazing things using Tableau's REST API that bridge the gap between what Tableau's products currently offer and what your organization or team needs. In this video, I will introduce you to an application I had in my back pocket as an alternative submission to this year's Tableau DataDev Hackathon. Although my Flow Restore utility ended up winning Best Overall Hack, I strongly believe what I am going to showcase in this video would have also been well received by the judges. To set the scene, imagine a sales executive over North America was recently onboarded to your Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud portal and requires a means to quickly and frequently access or view relevant sales reporting maintained on the portal. Browsers have bookmarks, Windows file system has pinning, and Tableau has favorites. Tableau allows users to navigate to content and favorite it, making the content easily accessible through their favorites menu. The new sales executive mentioned earlier could be provided with a series of links, navigate to the content maintained at each, and favorite the content. However, I suggest a much less tedious approach requiring zero effort on behalf of the sales executive. That is the gap my content mirror bridges. In just 3 steps, you can copy the favorites of one user to another user. Step 1. Populate the necessary details to authenticate and sign in to your Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud instance. Step 2. Populate the source and target user ID values. And Step 3. Click Mirror Favorites. Before I click Mirror Favorites, allow me to pull up another browser window where I've signed in to the target user's account to show you that the user does not have any content favorited. Notice how the target user doesn't have any favorites. Let's jump back over to the content mirror. By clicking Mirror Favorites, both source and target user's account's existence will be verified, and then a process will kick off to gather the source user's favorites and applies those to the target user's account. After the process has completed, the target user's favorites will be displayed on screen and can be further verified by simply navigating to the Favorites menu while logged into the target user's account. Let's see the content mirror in action by clicking Mirror Favorites. Ta-da! There you have it. Shown on screen are the target user's favorites displayed across the respective content type tabs. I'll quickly show the same information is being displayed within the target user's favorites menu by jumping back over to the browser for which I am logged into the target user's account. In the target user's favorites menu, we should see one data source, one flow, 3 projects, and 1 workbook as shown on screen. Okay, I am logged into the target user's account and I'm back at their favorites menu. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click refresh and we should see those favorites that we just copied over from the source user in the target user's account here. So let's go ahead and do that now. And there you have it. We have 1 workbook, 3 projects, 1 flow, and 1 data source that are now in the favorites menu of the target user's account. Another feature of the content mirror, which I've given away by showing the user interface on screen, is that it allows you to copy subscriptions maintained by one user to create identical subscriptions for another user. If you are not familiar with subscriptions, then know that users can subscribe to content for it to be delivered to them via email at a desired frequency and in a variety of formats. Let's see the content mirror in action again, but this time, I'll mirror the subscriptions of the source user for the target user's benefit. The subscriptions have been successfully mirrored and are displayed on screen. Like favorites, the mirroring operation can be verified as having been successful. This time, I can use either the source user's account or the target user's account to verify the subscriptions have been created for the target user by navigating to the target user's content page. I should see 1 workbook and 1 view as shown on screen. Let's take a look at the target user's content page now. As expected, there is 1 subscription related to a workbook and 1 for review. That wraps up my demo on my content mirror application. I hope this demo encourages you to explore how your organization or team can harness the power of Tableau's REST API to build onto existing features or develop entirely new ones. If you work for Tableau, my hope is that you too see bringing what the Content Mirror does to Tableau Cloud and Tableau Server products as low-hanging fruit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.